This is the most beautiful bird in the world, and you've probably never seen it before. There are hundreds of species of birds in the world, but these birds are some of the most beautiful. The first one is the great blue heron. This bird is a common sight in American waters, but it's also a very good example of the beauty of birds. The next one is the kingfisher. This bird is known for its beautiful plumage and its ability to dive into the water and catch fish. The third one is the peacock. This bird is famous for its beautiful tail feathers. Peacocks can be found in zoos and aviaries all over the world. The fourth one is the parrot. This bird is known for its beautiful colors and its intelligence. Parrots can mimic human speech, and they can also solve complex problems. The fifth one is the hummingbird. This bird is known for its beautiful colors and its ability to fly backwards. Hummingbirds are found in the Americas, and they are the only birds that can fly backwards. Which one is your favorite?